Howdy folks, and welcome to Kenzone in Kelana Jaya. Why am I here, like, again? Well, there is a reason. Yeah, for one thing, I'm running around in the W123 for the last few days just to make sure that everything is okay, because I think she's going to go for a long distance drive. Another one coming soon. But we have a special announcement here at Kenzone. So, Ken, what is this crazy September only Malaysia Day promotion?
Malaysia promotion,
Yes.
Just now, we are doing the promotion for sport rim.
Yes, right?
If 17-inch sport rim,
Yes.
when which model I got lah, we are sell 1,200. But free 4 tire.
1,002 with 4 free tires.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then free fully service engine oil.
Fully syn.
Fully syn.
Wow. And next?
And next, 15-inch in rim, we are free 4 tire for land seal.
How much?
900.
900 and you get after trade-in,
just
okay.
top up 900.
Yep.
Buy one set rim and then free 4 tire.
Free 4 tire.
And then free the Semi-syn for service.
Service include
Labor oil filter.
oh, okay. All in lah.
All in.
Basically.
For your subscriber.
So, thank you.
Must subscribe.
Must subscribe.
Must
Thank
subscribe.
you.
Got this promotion until this month.
Just for September only, yeah.
Malaysia Day promotion.
Wow, fantastic, bro. Shall we go and have a look at the rims? What rims are available? Come. Right, so here are the rims, folks. What's those, 17s?
All here.
Okay, these all 17. While stocks last, yeah? Come and choose.
Stock. All for clean.
Right. Clear stock, clear stock.
Yeah.
So rim and tire, 17 plus service, 1,002. And then the after trade-in. And the 15s?
Yeah.
And here we go, these are the 15s. So this 900 with trade-in plus tire.
Plus tire.
And free service.
Free service.
Oh, fantastic. While stocks last, what you see is what you get, folks. So don't miss this promotion. Thank you, Ken. This is awesome.
This month.
Only for this month, huh?
Subscriber for Chris.
Why? Thank you. And while stocks last, yeah?
Must show
Yeah, must show that you subscribe. Thank you, bro. Excellent promotion. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye. And just on a side note, in parting, these were the exact tires I was using on my W210, right, Ken?
Yeah.
And I drove all the way to Thailand in them. They were very good in the wet and dry. They're called Fortune, and not really known, but very, very decent tires. So folks, take advantage of this promotion, and don't forget to show that you've liked and subscribed, and come and talk to Ken. I'll leave the description. I'll leave the contact information in the description, and some clarifications as well. Take care, you all. Remember, this is while stocks last, only for September, and for Malaysia Day. Thank you, Ken. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.